How to turn on or off replies to Instagram story from the Instagram application. You can do this tutorial on the Android or your iOS device. Before we continue with our tutorial, please make sure that you subscribe to our channel. Without further ado, let's go. First off, just from your Instagram dashboard, go to the bottom rightmost button or your profile button. From there, just go to your hamburger button on the top on a three lines button. Just choose settings, and then from there, choose privacy. You'll be presented with a privacy screen, and from there just choose story, and in the story screen scroll a bit to the replying section, and then you can see that we can set the allow message replies. Currently it is now set to everyone, so everyone that you like public can reply to your story. You can change it to only the people that you follow, or you can even turn it off completely. So off if you want to turn it off completely. Just people you follow to only allow people you follow to reply to the story, or you can also allow everyone. That's the default settings on Instagram, and that's pretty much how you turn on and off story replies on Instagram application. If you find this content or tutorials very helpful and you wanted to see more contents and you wanted to see more tutorials like this, please do not hesitate to subscribe, like and comment to our channel. If you have any suggestions or any topics that you want us simply how to cover, do not hesitate to put it on a comment section down below. Cheers, I hope it helps. Until the next tutorial, YouTube. Bye.